So we're getting started today with a whopping 64 ounces of some sweet corn. We're gonna follow that up with some Duke's mayonnaise. Yeah, that's right, I said it, Duke's mayonnaise. Thank you guys for letting me know about Duke's mayonnaise. So we got a cup of that Duke's mayonnaise right there, bam. Then we're gonna follow it up with some sour cream. Once again, 1 cup of sour cream. Now we're making this for a party today, you guys. If you wanna make a smaller version, you could totally cut in this in half, but this is super easy to throw together. I have some cheese. I know I'm gonna pronounce it wrong, so why don't you help me out there, David? Cheese. Kojita cheese. Oh my gosh, you guys, whatever. Sometimes you gotta laugh about it. I'm just gonna kind of break it up and put it right in with this corn along with the mayonnaise and the sour cream. It might look a little messy here, but no worries, and it's going to be delicious. So break all of that up. We want all of that nice cheesiness along with that creaminess from that sour cream and that mayonnaise. Ooh, perfect. Of course, we're gonna need to follow that up with some chili powder, and this is your discretion, however much you want. I'm gonna put a hefty amount of chili powder. I really think it is one of those things that kind of bring it all together. So if you're like me, you're gonna throw about, I don't know, maybe a tablespoon or a half a tablespoon right there of some chili powder. I think that looks great, perfect. We'll then follow it up with some garlic powder, because what doesn't pair better with chili powder than garlic powder along in this creamy street corn and all of that cheesiness. I'm gonna throw about, I don't know, I'd say, a few teaspoons here of garlic powder. I'm gonna just shake right there on top. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. The garlic pairing with that chili powder is just so fabulous. You've got to try it. Now we're gonna do our best to mix this all up, just making sure that all of that creaminess gets all over that corn and that chili powder, the cheese. Oh yeah, you guys want a summer barbecue, nice and easy thing to whip together? This is it right here, because let me tell you what, there is nothing better than this super easy street corn. It is a hit every time. The creaminess and the cheesiness is just where it's at, right? And I don't know, maybe because I'm using Duke's mayo this time, it's gonna make it even better. What do you think? So we got this all nice and mixed together, and as that heats up and that corn starts to cook and melt, then all of that stuff is gonna get even creamier. Now we're gonna top it off with some of this quesadilla cheese, because why not, right? I'm gonna pour the whole bag. I found this stuff. You guys can choose whatever you want. Maybe you're not even gonna put a layer of cheese on top, and you know what? It's not even necessary. You don't have to, but I'm just gonna put a little bit of that cheese on top. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the chili powder back in, and I'm just gonna give it a little sprinkle just for kind of a visual appearance there, just a nice little sprinkle of some chili powder on top. Now we're gonna pop this in the oven. We are going to let it bake at 350. It's probably gonna take about 35 minutes, and stick around. This can be your new favorite side dish, and I think you're just gonna have to bring this out so everybody else can enjoy it too. Wow, just wow. Do I even need to say anything? That is some serious corn right there. Look at that golden brown edge. The cheese looks phenomenal. I know it's gonna be amazing. And now I have a little bit of cilantro that I'm just gonna chop right on top, just to give it a little bit prettiness, right? Having some green. Now I know not everybody likes cilantro. I know a lot of people sometimes say that it tastes kind of soapy, which I'm not one of those people, but if you are, you don't have to put it on. And what is that even all about anyways? Do we know why is that just we have different taste buds? Or why does it taste like that? I don't know. To me, it's delicious. So I'm throwing on a little bit of cilantro right on top, because I think it's gonna pair really well with this corn. Oh, that looks great. If you ask me, I would say that this looks like a masterpiece in itself, and I cannot wait to dig right in here. I think I'm just gonna go for it. Oh, look at that creaminess of that corn. I'm just gonna right here get loaded up in the front so you guys can check out how delicious this is. Look at that creaminess of that corn right there, just coming out with that layer of cheese. Wow, all of that creamy sauce right there inside. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, that's what I'm talking about right there. Street corn is so good, you guys. And honestly, this is the best easy recipe right here. You won't be disappointed with this. I really do like using the sour cream and the mayo versus putting the cream cheese in it. Tell me what you think about that. But look at that. We've got that cheese, a little cilantro. Look at it. It's just the right amount of creaminess for my liking. This is where it's at right here. Amazing, you guys. Like I said, the perfect amount of creaminess. that little bit of the mayonnaise, which don't forget we use the Duke's. Be proud of me for that. And then the sour cream. You guys, the chili powder, the garlic, the cheese. Oh, the queso on top. So good. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna have a bowl of this for dinner tonight. Let me know what you guys think about this recipe. Share it with a friend. Let us know in the comments, and we'll have that recipe listed right down there for you guys. We'll see you later. Enjoy.